Hi, this video is going to be on the context of Macbeth. Now, Macbeth was written in 1606, which was in the 17th century, and the monarch at this time was King James I. One of the most memorable events associated with King James I was the gunpowder plot, and this took place in the year prior to Shakespeare writing Macbeth, and we still remember this event today as Bonfire Night. Now, King James I survived this assassination attempt that occurred on this day, but it still left him very suspicious. And perhaps if we can look at it in the lens of his suspicion, we can see why Shakespeare would have written some of the events such as he does. Because it's important to note that King James I would have watched Shakespeare's plays because he was a patron to Shakespeare, which is another person who supports someone financially. So an example of this in the play could have been Macduff murdering Macbeth. Now, Macbeth kills King Duncan and he ends up dead because of it. And this could have sent the message that whoever would try to murder King James I would have suffered the same fate as Macbeth. Another way in which the play shows the interests of King James I is through witchcraft. King James I was very interested in witchcraft. He wrote a book on it called Daemonologie, and he also was known to lead several witch hunts. So perhaps the play in this respect was directed towards King James I's likening. So hopefully you can see how the context is important to understanding Macbeth. Thanks for listening.